specialty, kind of. Yeah. I didn't take any damage. No, I already have. I'm full now. Oh, here's a dark gun. I mean, here's refresh. You still need sniper?
What do I drop? I'll play with you next round.
Team. Knocked one. Dead. I killed all 3 of them. Oh, down here? Spared both? Nice.
So easy.
Wow, I did it. Oh, I took damage. Darn it. Maybe. I'll take it though. YouTube will never know. Yeah. 30. Oh, I dropped my grenade. There you go. It's a lot, so you might drop some, yeah. I might drop this, honestly. Ooh, my level 3. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep SMG. This Sparrow is actually kind of... I missed him. Knocked one. I'm solo. I can heal. Don't do anything stupid. There's a mole crate. Bro, I told you not to. He's dead. Nice. I love this Sparrow. I love the Sparrow. I have no idea where kids are. Oh, kid on me. It's a sheep. Cracked. I cracked his armor. Dead. He's dead. Yes, I got orange Sparrow. I mean, red Sparrow, I mean. I have 10 kills.
Yes, I finally